drag wheels in 3, 2, 1. Check that out. What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video of Hoodstick, and today, yes, we've got new wheels, and these wheels are not ordinary wheels. This video is playing at night time because we had to drive far away to get these, and these were a while back. But actually, you know what, we had it a long time ago, to be honest, but we're doing the video now. But I need to get V-Power petrol because we're going to go to Jap Show tomorrow and we need some V-Power. So whilst I'm doing that, I'm going to talk to you guys through it. So these wheels, by the way, these are the winter tires on there from the previous video. They look pretty good, to be honest. But yeah, so this is the final prep. The final prep of the drag strip. And what we're going to be doing is basically putting on the new wheels that we've got. So you're probably thinking, new wheels for the drag strip? Yeah. And we're also going to take a canister as well. This up as well. That will be the backup to do the run. There's a lot more prepping that I did. What the hell am I doing? That goes in here. I'm going to reveal the new drag wheels in 3, 2, 1, bang! Look at that. But before I do that, let me just pay for the petrol first, because the guy's probably there. You alright, yeah? Let's get this. Thank you, boss. Alright, so yeah, here she is. But this is the new wheel that we got. We've also got another part, and you guys probably thinking, what is this other part? And it's right here. Check that out. So this is the drag headlight, should I say. These are illegal to be used in the UK, but I'm going to put it on when we get to drag strip. So it basically sits right here, so the air goes straight through to the air filter. I know the air filter is quite big, you can probably see it right there, but this is going to sit right there. I'm going to change that, and boy is that going to look so sick. Oh yeah. So yeah, it's going to be sick. So we'll change that at Santa Paula Jap Show tomorrow. But it looks pretty easy to be put on and off. Just I don't think it has holes, but as long as it fits in there and it's sturdy, then it should be good. So that's the drag strip mod for the headlight, so I'm pretty happy with that. We got this a while back. Not even that expensive, I can't remember now, probably about 20-30 quid. They're mainly used for the GTRs, but obviously it's a GTST, so it's a bit different. But let's put that down. And let me show you guys then. So this is the drag wheel. So you're probably thinking, boy, they're skinny, they are. I thought that when I first seen it, but this is actually for the front wheels. And in the drag strip world, the skinny the wheel at the front, the faster the car will go straight, if that makes sense. You know, when you see drag videos, they always have big fat tires at the back, which we'll get to that. I'll show you guys, but those are for the front. So check it out. They're actually like almost like brand new. They haven't hardly ever been used on the tires. So yeah, so that's it really. So obviously I can't put them on now, they're illegal. I would love to put them on, maybe on another video. And yeah, so that's going to be it sitting in the front. Bang! There you go, look at that. So this is the Compa Motive Motorsport wheels. It's an 8J Trans-by-15 ET, says it right there. And these are super lightweight, literally I can pick it up like with effortlessly. Look, it's in the air. It's that light, literally. And it's wrapped up with brand new Hoosier Tyres from America, 26/10.15 drag tires, 0D06. So that is it. I can't wait to wrap these in the Skyline for the drag strip, full slicks. and hopefully that will grip the Skyline finally, because I've been struggling for grip for the Skyline non-stop. This car wouldn't grip, it literally, I just struggle all the time. But hopefully these will do the job, and hopefully we can get that fast time. I'm hoping for 10 seconds, 10-11 seconds, and hopefully we can get that with these tires. So yeah, these are the new wheels. You know, it was worth the bang for buck. These are probably, the tires alone are probably worth almost £1,000, but it was all worth it, you know, to get the optimum for the Skyline, because hopefully we'll get that 10-second, 11-second time for the Skyline. I owe you a 10-second car, damn. So we're gonna get that by the will of the mighty. We will get that, and help with everybody's support. So yeah, so back to the video, talking about the next step. Maybe we can do a Mexico run soon. If you guys could drop a comment down below for a Mexico run, we can do one. But this is for Santa Pod. Got told by Mo Shabs, who's running 1500 horsepower on his Skyline, start off at 20 psi for the first run, and then work your way down at each run. And the reason why is because you'll find out the best air to have in the wheels when you're running on the strip, and it's that soft. And so when the car squats, when you launch the car, the spread of the wheel gets bigger, so you get more traction, in effect grips and not spin. Because at the end of the day, winning, gripping, you're not winning if you're not gripping. So that's the motto Boosted Boys say, and it's true. So bring that there, and these goodies are gonna do the 10 seconds by the will of the Almighty. That's how dark it is in this car. It's such a dark car. It needs some neon lights in here. This car in the night time, that's how it is. I gotta get, oh sorry, oh! It's blind me.